When we are focused on a single discipline and its relevant insights, we need to read our sources of information carefully because the differences within a discipline can be very nuanced, more difficult to identify. Take psychology, for example. Because its theories share its perspective and its assumptions, many of its theories are relatively similar in terms of how they explain the world. Trying to identify the conflicts between two trait approaches to personality can be quite challenging, especially if we aren't familiar with each of the theories. The more we know about each theory, the more easily we can identify conflicts. The same is true about the insights produced by these theories. Read, and read some more. You'll be more prepared to follow the IRP when you've done the necessary research. Interdisciplinarians often work with a number of conflicting insights from disciplines that are very foreign to them. One way of determining the relative importance of an insight is to consider the reaction of other disciplinary scholars. How often has the source been cited by others? A lot? That's a good sign. That means that this source is relatively important. Only a handful of times? That's a sign that this source is probably not as important as others. Also, consider whether the source generated any debates. Were there any follow-up articles? Did other scholars rush to defend their dissenting points? If so, this source is probably important. Table 9.1 is an example of identifying conflicting insights within a single discipline. Within the subdiscipline of cognitive psychology, for example, we can see at least 3 different insights regarding the causes of suicide terrorism. Each insight provides a slightly different explanation, a different view of the problem.